What an idiot. It broke. So, I gotta make a repair on this thing. I don't have to, but I'll show you my last trick. Oh, doors open, mosquitoes will go in. Good Lord. Yeah, we go. Hi, Coco. Papa's got to use a little porcelain appliance touch-up and put it in there and glue this back together. Watch. One side, right? That's really all it's going to take. Okay? Then put your... You still filming? Yep. Put your two pieces together. Oh, goodness. You only get one chance. There you go. There you go. Take it easy there. This should be that quick glue. What do they call that stuff? I can't even think right now. I'm so mad at myself for doing that. Alright, I'll just... Whoa! God! Yeah, it's still dry on this side, you clumsy son of a bitch. Bastard. Come on, pop, you can do it. I know. Oh, I know. I know what's going on. There you go. There you go. There you go, Kokomo.